Hi children, how are you all? Hope you are all safe and happy. Next we move on to landforms part 2. Glaciers, a large body of ice moving slowly down a slope or valley due to gravity is called a glacier. There are two types, continental glacier and mountain glaciers. Continental glaciers it covers vast areas of the continent with thick ice sheets. A mountain or a valley glacier is a stream of ice flowing along a valley. It usually follows former river courses and are bounded by steep sides. Cirque. It is a glacially eroded rock basin with a steep side wall and steep head wall surrounding an armchair-shaped depression. As the ice melts, they get filled up the cirque with water and become beautiful lakes in the mountains. They are called as Tarn lakes. When two adjacent cirques erode towards each other, the grievously rounded landscape is transformed into a narrow, rocky, steep-sided ridge called Aritis. Next one, U-shaped valley is found beneath the glaciers, which is deepened and widened by the lateral and vertical erosion. It forms U-shaped valley. Next you have the mushroom rock. It is formed by the wind. An active agent of erosion and deposition in the desert is wind. So in deserts you can see rocks in the shape of mushroom, and so they are called mushroom rocks. Next, winds erode the lower section of the rock more than the upper part. Therefore, such rocks have narrower base and wider top. An isolated residual hill standing like a pillar with rounded tops are called Inselbergs. When the wind blows, it lifts and transports sand from one place to another. When it stops blowing, the sand falls and gets deposited in low hill-like structures. These are called sand dunes. The crescent-shaped sand dunes are called barchans. When the grains of sand are very fine or light and they are very light, the wind can carry it over very long distances. When such sand is deposited in large areas, it is called Loess. Large deposits of Loess are found in China. A part of land adjoining or near the sea is called the sea coast. The boundary of the coast where land meets water is called the coastline. The coastal areas are subject to change due to wave erosion and wave deposition. The erosion and deposition form sea cliffs and sea caves. Sea cliffs are steep rock faces formed when the sea waves dash against them. So the sea waves continuously strike at the rocks. Cracks develop over time. They become larger and wider. Thus, hollow-like caves are formed on the rocks. They are called sea caves. As the cavities of sea caves become bigger and bigger, only the roof of the caves remains and forming sea arches. You can see in the picture there. These wall-like structures are called stacks. The sea waves deposit sediments of sand and gravel along the shores, forming beaches. Sandbar is an elongated deposition of sand or mud found in the sea, almost parallel to the coast. The first longest beach in the world is the Miami Beach in South Florida in USA. Lagoon. Lagoon is a shallow stretch of water, partially or completely separated from the sea. You can see in the picture there, Vembanad Lake in Kerala is a famous lagoon in India. You can see the question answers, children, in the end of this video.